So after viewing age word problems, I decided that I wanted to create a lesson based on that because I remember as a student being very interested by those kinds of problems, but also not understanding how to do them. And I feel like he was able to explain really well in that YouTube video how to do them. So I would create a lesson for our unit, our families. The enduring understanding is the definition of a family varies amongst individuals and cultures. However, these definitions makes families and their traditions unique and special. My essential questions are: what makes a family unique? What defines a family? How are people's traditions similar and or different? And so this lesson I entitled Las Edades de la Familia Real de España. The cross-content connections are both spatial, visual, and logical mathematical. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to discuss the relationships among members of the royal family of Spain, and students will be able to identify the ages of various members of the royal family of Spain. This lesson presupposes that students already know vocabulary pertaining to the family, such as grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, niece, nephew, grandchild, father, daughter, all those different kinds of terms. So for their do now, I would project an image of their family tree, the royal family of Spain's family tree, and they would log into their district learning management system. We use Canvas, and in modules I would have a link to GoFormative. If you haven't used this site, goformative.com, it's a great way if you have technology in the classroom to quickly check students' comprehension. So they would be viewing the image, and I would have them answer some comprehension questions, such as who is the father of Irene, what is the relationship between Cristina and Victoria, cierto o falso, Felipe is the son of Sofia. And once they answered all the questions, we'd quickly review them as a class. And then my second activity would be where the word problems would come in. I would, prior to the lesson, I would make up some word problems containing different, figuring out their ages, using information that I found online with when they were born. And so first I would show them how to solve one problem, similar to the one used in the video. And then I would break them into groups, having them count off to form 5 groups. This way they're also using a little math by counting off to form groups. And they would have to work in groups to solve the 5 problems, and then we would discuss the answers together as a class. And then to close out the lesson, I would use an exit slip, and I would project an image of their family tree with their ages, and I would have them place the family members in order based on their ages. So I would either choose oldest to youngest, or they had to do youngest to oldest, and then they would have to hand that in as an exit slip before exiting class.